How starting my own job changed my life forever. Yeah, how starting my own job changed my life forever. What if I told you that the day I stopped waiting and started my own job was the day my whole life changed forever? Yes, no magic, no big man help, just me, my small idea, and my hungry stomach. Welcome today to this video where I will share how starting my own job changed my life completely. You will laugh, you might even cry small, but I promise you, you are going to learn something that will move you forward in life. Things that can move you forward in life. Let's go. Before I begin, please, I will appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification, like and share this video so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow and you don't miss any of my video this week. If this video inspired you and you have questions bothering your mind, go to the comment section to ask. I will not hesitate to quickly respond to your questions right away. Now, let's get started. Today's story is personal. It is not just a gist. It is my own journey. I want to tell you how I moved from waiting for someone to employ me to creating something for myself. And guess what? That small decision I made that day turned everything around in my life. Before I started my job, I was broke, bored, and always begging. But now I am bold, I'm better, I'm even buying suya without looking at my account balance anytime. So sit back, relax, and follow my journey so far. My life before I started the bitter truth. My life before I started the bitter truth. Before I started my own job, life was hard for me. Every day, I woke up to check my phone. No missed calls, no job offer. I sent over 50 CVs, applied for teaching, even security, no single reply. I was down in my spirit. My shoe had seen more road than a keke napep. I had become a full-time professional waiter, not in a restaurant, but waiting for miracles or waiting for government work, a government job. This is a serious experience I have ever seen in my life. My wake up called something snap. One day, my uncle who had promised me connection told me the truth. He said, "My son, I love you, but the way Nigeria is now, you better find something small and start now." That was my slap of sense. Then I saw my childhood friend selling small phone accessories by the roadside. This guy who used to borrow books from me when we were in school was now buying his second-hand Corolla. I stood there like this. That day, I realized something. Waiting is not working for me anymore. Waiting is not working for me anymore. This is what I realized that day. Here is my first step. Starting with nothing. starting with nothing. So, what did I do? I looked around and asked myself, what can I do without money? This is a big question that came to my mind. What can I do since I don't have money? I remember I used to help people write CVs and edit documents. So I printed a small flyer. Do you need help with CV? Do you need help with your CV, school projects, or typing jobs? Just call my number. I put my number there. I went to 3 cyber cafes, 2 campuses, and 1 church. I handed out 50 flyers. Nothing happened until 4 days after. A lady called me. She needed help typing a 50 pages project. I charged her 2,000. She agreed. I nearly fainted that day. My first profit, sweet like fried plantain. My first profit, just like plantain. That 2,000 naira was my first business money. I used 1,000 to buy food and the remaining money to buy other things. Yes, it was small, but I had made it with my own hands through typing job. That 2,000 felt like a promotion letter from heaven on that day. From that day, I said, I won't stop this job. I will keep on moving. My mistakes and what they taught me. Of course, things don't go smoothly. I made many mistakes. I priced too low. I wasted money on fake printer. One customer scammed me and didn't pay me after serving her. But guess what? Each mistake became my teacher. Now I learned to set clear prices. I learned to say no. I learned to keep records. In fact, I tell people now, mistakes are part of the hustle. Cry small, then continue. Growing slowly, but growing surely. I am growing slowly, but I'm growing surely. As weeks passed, more people started calling. I got a part-time typing job. I added resume design. I even helped people apply for jobs online. Word spread. People trusted me, and little by little, the money increased every week. I went from earning 0 a day to earning 2,500, 5,000, 10,000 on a good day. That changed everything in my life. That changed everything in my life. If you are still watching this video and finding this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section to let me know you are here. If you are not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to produce another video next tomorrow. Now let's move forward. Freedom, the best feeling ever. One day, someone asked me, "So you still don't have a job?" I smiled and said, "I have my own job. I work for myself." That was a sweet moment because now I don't beg for any money anymore. I had peace of mind. I control my time. I wore what I like. I felt useful and proud. My family support came after results. At first, my parents were not impressed. "So you want to type people's CV as your job?" But the day I bought foodstuffs for the house from my business profit, everything changed. They saw I was not just typing. I was doing something that can bring food to our table as a family. Even my uncle, who promised me government work, started bringing people to me for help. Meet my boy. He is sharp. He will do your work for you, said my uncle. I was shocked to see all these things in my life. Skill I learned that changed my thinking. Starting my own job forced me to grow. I learned, number one, how to talk to customers, how to manage money. Number three, how to deliver online. Number four, how to handle stress. Number five, how to solve problems fast. All these are the things I never learned in a school, but starting my own job myself taught me all these things. And even though I wasn't wearing a suit or sitting in an office, I was becoming wiser every day. Running a business is the best school I have ever attended. Running a business is the best school I have ever attended. Looking back, the best decision of my life. Sometimes I ask myself, what if I never started? What if I was still waiting for government job, so to call? Maybe I will still be broke, still sad, still angry with people who don't give me money or who is not ready to help me. But because I took that one step, my life changed completely. And the best part, I am just getting started. Now I train others. I teach what I know, and I show people how small things can grow into big things. Now I want to ask you, are you still waiting for someone to give you a job? Or are you tired doing something small on your own? What is holding you back? Please drop your answer in the comment. Let's talk. Listen, my brother. Listen, my friend. Listen, my friend. Starting your own job won't be easy, but it will be worth it. You don't need big money. You don't need big grammar. You just need a small idea and the courage begin. Even if you fail, you have learned something from your failure. Even if you cry, wipe your tears and continue the journey. You have a long way to go to success. Because I am telling you today, please learn from me and you will smile in the future. The life you want is on the other side of the job you create. Don't wait for salary. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfect time. Start now. Start small. Start anyway. If you enjoy this story, do 3 things for me. Hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video with someone who needs it today. And please send this video to that your friend who has been waiting for government job or waiting since 2018. Let them know the wait is over. Just start. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, small jobs leads to big victory. And no shame in starting small. The real shame is not starting at all. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and always move forward. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government of yourself. Govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.